first one of the yellows. Yeah! I'm literally walking in. This is probably going to be Paul's office in the back here. This is the wine cellar. Walking down the hallway. Then we have the master suite. And here's the living room. That leads back to upstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs. And then over here's the bonus room. And out there's the back porch. We're probably gonna turn that into a game room, like a pool table. Spacious kitchen. I wanted to come back in here and just see it one more time and have a conversation with you guys on this beautiful 75-day hard challenge. Let me tell you something. It's probably going to be very, very short, not too long. And out there is the garage and the laundry room. Listen, times when you want something, you have to come in. This is your girl. I came in here, I think this is like my 5th time. I want to be sure when I make the decision about it. So it have times in your life where you have to come in to a thing or go in, walk into that thing, go back, sit again in the thing, look around. And up here is where we're probably going to put the studio, my studio. And I came back again to walk inside to make sure 100% that this is something that I'm going to fall in love with, be in love with it, because this is going to be our forever. And of course I take you guys on the journey, and I tend to oftentimes come in and just sit down inside, look at it, say a humble word of prayer, asking my Lord, Father God, I really want this. I love it. I came back again, taking a look at it, and I'm taking your people who follow me on this journey as I walk it. So today, my 75-day hard challenge, I wanted to bring you guys inside to show you what it looks like just a little bit. So this is probably like my 5th time coming in, and I wanted to just take you guys. So I do hope this blesses someone. Really do. Really do. Let me show you what this looked like coming down the stairway here. This is what it's going to look like coming down the stairway. My 5th time being inside, I believe. And I'm just making sure 100% is what I want. Yeah. So anytime you want something in life, you go walk around it. Take a look again. Make sure it's the flooring you want. Make sure that the bedroom, everything is in line with what you want. So I wanted to take you guys in to see it again with me. Lovely, so lovely. So lovely. Truly excited about it. Before my husband and I say 100% yes, I'm back inside checking it out. Lovely. It is so lovely, guys. And not only that, one of the things I wanted was to have a stand-up shower and a tub right there. And I believe I'm getting it. Plus we have the his and the her. So I wanted to show you guys and take you guys with me today for that 75 challenges. I'm over into the yellow paper. I just wanted to come in here one more time to chit chat, to check it out, to make sure it is something that he and I love. I told Hazi I was stepping by just to go in and take a look at it again. And he was like, go ahead and do it. And when you get there, make sure you say a prayer, sit inside to make the decision be made whole. I love it. I love the whole community. I love everything about it. And I can see myself here. So I wanted to share this today. As per usual, hope this one blesses you guys. If you're enjoying my 75-day hard challenge, I'm going to put up a thumbnail on the screen for you to enjoy the rest of my content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to what? Stay safe and stay blessed. But before I go, if you want something, let me leave you with this. If you want something, make sure you go find what it is you are looking to attain. Pray about it. Give it to God. And then go around that thing. Check in again, check out. Go in, check in again, check out. Go in, check it again. Make sure it sits with your spirit. And then make a decision. So I'll see you guys in the next one. As per usual, stay safe and stay what? Blessed.